Donald Trump made immigration a cornerstone of his presidency. From the border wall to travel bans and mass deportation, his policies were aimed at tightening control over who enters and stays in the US. President Donald Trump has announced a flurry of immigration related executive orders, paving way for a widespread effort to crack down on undocumented migrants in the US. But was it about security or was it about making a political statement? Let's take a closer look. Supporters of Trump's immigration policies argue that they were necessary to protect national security. They point to issues like drug smuggling and human trafficking and even terrorism risk. While some illegal crossing involve criminal activities, the majority of undocumented immigrants are simply seeking a better life. Most studies show no link between stricter immigration controls and lower crime rates. Another major argument for strict immigration policies: protecting American jobs. Trump often claimed that immigrants were taking jobs from the US citizens. Illegal immigration affects the life of all Americans. Illegal immigration hurts American workers, burdens American taxpayers, and undermines public safety, and places enormous strain on local schools, hospitals, and communities in general, taking precious resources away from the poorest American who need them the most. Illegal immigration cost the country billions and billions of dollars each year. Many industries, especially agriculture, rely heavily on immigrant labor. Mass deportation and visa restrictions actually create labor shortages, affecting productivity and prices. Perhaps the most visible symbol of Trump's immigration policy was the border wall. He promised it would stop illegal immigration. But did it? A physical barrier has limitations. Most undocumented immigrants actually overstay visas rather than crossing illegally, and cartels have found ways around the wall like tunnels and drones. America has long been known as a land of opportunity, a nation built by immigrants. So, does Trump's approach align with those ideals or does it contradict them? Strict immigration policies, especially family separation, raised ethical concerns. Many argue that these policies contradict America's identity as a welcoming nation. So, what's the final verdict? Was Trump's immigration policy a necessary move for national security, or was it more of a political strategy to energize his base? The answer depends on who you ask. But one thing is certain: the debate over immigration isn't going away anytime soon.